Reliable, honest, trustworthy. I'm not talking about my pet dog, but the humble but inspiring Nissan Micra. This 1985 Mark I Nissan Micra, whilst it doesn't have the panache of some of the other cars in the museum, it certainly is one of the most loved. The Micra has been made by Nissan since 1982 and was one of several small important cars introduced into Europe in 1983, along with the Vauxhall Nova, the Peugeot 205, the Fiat Uno, favourite of mine, and the second generation Ford Fiesta. You might have learnt to drive in one. You might have owned one. It might have been mum or dad's first car, might have been your first car and your first taste of freedom. What the Micra guaranteed you is it would start and get you there and back again. Shall we take it for a drive? As you might expect, the Micra was never designed to tear up the tarmac. It was designed to keep your money in your pocket. At a constant 56 miles an hour, it could return 67 miles to the gallon, which actually is pretty good, even compared with modern standards. It was frugal. That frugality, along with the Micra's reliability, made the Micra a popular choice. In 1989 alone, Nissan sold 50,000 of these cars, which is quite some going. The Mark I Micra is a lot like other cars from the 1980s, the ruler's best friend, though there are one or two curves creeping in on the inside. Our Micra has some remarkable shades of brown in it, but it's still not bad. 40 years, 66,000 miles later, it's almost brand new. This car was donated to the museum in August 2021 after faithful service to just one family. The original owner was after a dependable runaround for his family, and the choice was either this Micra or a Ford Fiesta. Can you imagine why he chose the Micra? Yes, this little radio fitted a standard. Shall we see what it's playing? The 1980s was a decade of cola wars, fashion, music, yuppies and great cars. The Nissan Micra, the choice for a new generation. The Micra is a car.